Hi, you first graders. Okay, today you're going to go to your HSD2 portal page. You're going to click on the red McGraw-Hill button. You're going to click on Wonders Grade 1 and then your assignments button. You're looking for two things. The first thing is this interactive read aloud. And that is, you've done these before, but that is where it looks like, this. And you have 4 things to listen to. Now, when you're listening, I want you to close your eyes, listen to this story, and visualize what's happening in your brain. Okay? Now, do yourself a favor. Whoa, that was crazy. You see that? Do yourself a favor when you are listening. Try to think of some questions that pop into your brain. Like immediately when I see these pictures, my first question is, why is this black and white? Like, why aren't these colored photos, right? That's the first question I have. And I know the title of this book is called Games Long Ago, so maybe that's why it's in black and white. But I'm going to listen to the story and try to answer my questions. It's like a mystery that I make for myself. And then the next thing you're going to do, let's go here. You're going to look for this assignment called Toss, Kick, Hop, and it looks like this picture. Now, this is a story that you're going to, that you're going to listen to each of these. Remember, this speaker button is here for you. I would like you to listen to it, and then I would like you to try and read it by yourself. So if I listen to it first, it says toss, kick, hop. I'm going to try, before I turn the page, to read this again on my own. If I get stuck, I can listen to it again. Then I go to the next page, and I try to read these on my own. If I can't, I'm going to listen to it. It's okay to listen to it first, all the way through, and then try to read it on your own all the way through. Okay, guys? Wonderful work. When you're done reading, you're going to come back, and there is a list of words. And I didn't type them yet because I want to show you how I want you to write them. So on your whiteboard, or if you have like a favorite notepad, I love writing on my whiteboard. I think it's super fun. But something I want you, I'm bringing you closer here so you'll look in here. What I want you to do is called pyramid writing. So for instance, this word, together. That's a long word, huh? Not do that one, that's too long. I'm just joking. Let's do zip. See over here? I wrote it right here. Zip. Now, instead of just writing the word zip, what you're going to do is called pyramid writing. Now, when you write the word zip, you're going to start by writing the first letter, so Z. Then underneath it, you do the first letter and the second letter, Z-I. Then last, you do all 3 letters. So Z, like here, Z-I, and then Z-I-P. You're going to do zip. You're going to do, what's another fun word in here? Ooh, I like zip. I like, kick. Ooh, and toss. Oh, 2's highlighted. Let's do that one too. So 4 words. Ready? So you're going to do kick, toss, and 2. But remember, you got to do them like a pyramid. So for kick, you do the first letter, K, just like this. And then the next underneath, K-I, and then K-I-C, K-I-C-K. See how I got all the way to kick like a pyramid? That's pyramid writing. You're going to do all 4 of those words on a whiteboard or on a piece of paper. All right, kiddos, you have a great rest of your day. Thanks for learning with me. Oops, I probably should while I was still talking to you.